Welcome to WebWorks Software, the meeting point of innovative web solutions and state-of-the-art artificial intelligence technologies. WebWorks Software is a prominent company specializing in software development and web-based solutions. With a solid reputation and a wealth of experience, WebWorks Software has established itself as a leader in the industry, delivering innovative and reliable software solutions to businesses of all sizes. Established with a vision to transform the digital world, we are an advanced software development company specializing in creating integrated AI-powered software solutions. Our extensive service range encompasses custom software development, mobile app development, business intelligence, machine learning, and user experience design. Our expert team takes a user-oriented approach, meticulously tailoring each solution to meet our clients and their users' unique needs. We are not just coders, but architects of digital experiences, committed to crafting intuitive and seamless applications that truly make a difference. Our dedicated development team is a blend of creative minds and technical wizards. Each member brings specific skills to the table, working in unison to create products that stand out in the marketplace. We believe in team augmentation, constantly evolving our skills to stay at the forefront of technological advancements. We embrace agile-based decision-making. This enables us to rapidly adapt to changes, enhance our solutions in real time, and deliver high-quality software on schedule. At WebWorks Software, we're more than a software development company, a trusted partner dedicated to helping our clients navigate the digital landscape confidently. We believe in creating lasting relationships and supporting our clients as they leverage technology to achieve their business goals. The dynamic world of WebWorks Software, where we're crafting intelligence and empowering innovation. Let's shape the future of technology together. Who are we? A friendly place to foster innovation. In short, we are not just a software development company, but a partner in your digital transformation journey, committed to making your vision a reality through cutting-edge AI-powered software solutions, ready-made projects. At WebWorks Software, we offer an impressive selection of ready-made AI-integrated software solutions. These out-of-the-box applications are designed with flexibility, catering to a diverse range of business needs, while incorporating advanced AI functionalities for improved efficiency and decision-making. However, we understand that every business is unique, with specific needs and challenges that a one-size-fits-all solution may not fully address. This is where our customization service comes in. Our team of experts can tailor our ready-made software to align seamlessly with your unique business requirements. Whether tweaking functionalities, integrating additional features, or adapting the user interface to match your branding, we ensure the software fits your business like a glove. In this way, you enjoy the best of both worlds: the quick deployment of ready-made software and the perfect fit of a custom solution. Our services. At WebWorks Software, our comprehensive suite of services is designed to cover every facet of your digital transformation journey. Our dedicated development team stands at the ready, providing an end-to-end solution that marries technological prowess with innovative thinking. We excel in custom software development, creating bespoke, AI-integrated solutions perfectly tailored to your business needs. Our expertise extends to mobile app development, leveraging the latest techniques to create user-centric, AI-enhanced mobile solutions. Our business intelligence service transforms raw data into actionable insights, driving data-informed decision-making. As a distinguished machine learning agency, we harness the power of AI, creating intelligent, predictive solutions that power strategic growth and efficiency. User experience design is a cornerstone of our offerings. We're committed to crafting intuitive, engaging user interfaces that offer a seamless experience for your end users. In addition to our tailored services, we also provide ready-made software solutions. These allow for swift deployment without sacrificing the advantages of AI integration, ensuring you receive a quick, efficient, and cost-effective digital transformation. Why choose us? We help startups in the early stages. Hire us for AI integration on your website. Our expert team can enhance user experience and boost business performance. Adapting to user needs. The role of AI in creating customized software solutions. In today's digital era, technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Businesses are facing the challenge of staying ahead of the competition by investing in cutting-edge software solutions. However, with the diverse needs of users, creating software that caters to every individual is a complex task. This is where the role of artificial intelligence, AI, in creating customized software solutions becomes prominent. AI has revolutionized the way software development functions. It has the capability to analyze vast amounts of data, understand patterns, and make predictions based on user behavior. By leveraging AI, developers can adapt to user needs more efficiently, resulting in software that is tailored to each individual's requirements. One of the primary advantages of AI-driven software solutions is personalization. Traditional software often provides a one-size-fits-all approach, leaving many users struggling to find the functionalities they need. AI, on the other hand, has the capability to understand user preferences and create a personalized experience. Whether it's a customer-facing app or an internal tool, AI can adapt to different individuals and provide them with the features they require, leading to enhanced user satisfaction. Another crucial aspect of AI in software development is its ability to continuously learn and improve. Through machine learning algorithms, AI can gather feedback from users and apply that knowledge to refine the software. This enables developers to stay agile and respond to user needs promptly. By utilizing AI in the development process, companies can ensure that their software remains up to date and proactive in meeting evolving user demands. Additionally, AI can significantly improve the efficiency and productivity of businesses. With AI-enabled automation, repetitive and mundane tasks can be streamlined, freeing up employees to focus on more complex and creative work. This not only enhances productivity, but also reduces errors and improves the overall quality of the software. Moreover, AI plays a crucial role in enhancing the accessibility of software solutions. People with disabilities often face challenges in using standard software. However, AI can empower these individuals by adapting to their specific needs. For example, AI-powered software can provide voice commands or visual aids to assist users with impairments, ensuring equal access to technology for all. It is important to note that AI in software development does not eliminate the need for human involvement. While AI can contribute to creating customized solutions, human expertise is still essential. Developers play a crucial role in defining the scope, establishing the initial architecture, and ensuring ethical considerations are met. Collaboration between AI and human experts is the key to creating software solutions that truly adapt to user needs. In conclusion, AI is a game changer in the software development industry. By analyzing user data, personalizing experiences, continuously learning and improving, and enhancing accessibility, AI enables developers to create customized software solutions that meet the diverse needs of users. With its ability to adapt to user preferences, AI-driven software is revolutionizing the way businesses interact with technology, leading to increased efficiency, productivity, and user satisfaction. Next-level personalization. Harnessing AI to customize software solutions. In today's fast-paced world, personalization is the key to success. Customers want customized experiences that cater to their individual needs and preferences. This demand has extended to the software industry, where consumers expect tailored solutions that fit their unique requirements. As a result, businesses are harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, AI, to deliver next-level personalization in software solutions. AI has already revolutionized various industries, from healthcare to finance. The ability to collect and analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions based on patterns has made AI an invaluable tool for businesses. In the software industry, AI is being used to customize solutions and improve user experience. One of the most significant applications of AI in software personalization is recommendation systems. These systems use AI algorithms to analyze user behavior and preferences to suggest relevant content or features. For example, Netflix recommends movies and shows based on a user's viewing history, while Amazon suggests products based on previous purchases. By leveraging AI, software solutions can offer personalized recommendations that enhance the user's experience, making them more likely to continue using the product. AI-powered chatbots are also transforming the customer support experience. These virtual assistants use natural language processing and machine learning to interpret customer queries and provide relevant answers. By customizing responses based on individual interactions, chatbots can offer personalized support and resolve issues quickly. This not only saves time for both customers and businesses, but also improves customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. Additionally, AI is being utilized to personalize user interfaces and workflows in software solutions. By analyzing user behavior, preferences, and goals, AI algorithms can adapt the interface to suit individual needs. This ensures that users have easy access to the features they use most frequently, streamlining their workflow and ultimately increasing productivity. Another application of AI in software personalization is in user onboarding. AI algorithms can analyze user behavior during the onboarding process and provide personalized guidance to help users navigate the software effectively. This personalized approach ensures a smoother transition for new users, reducing the learning curve and increasing adoption rates. However, while AI has tremendous potential for personalizing software solutions, it also raises concerns about privacy and security. As AI algorithms collect and analyze user data, it is crucial to ensure the protection of personal information. Businesses must prioritize data security and transparency to gain the trust of their users and comply with privacy regulations. In conclusion, next-level personalization in software solutions is being made possible through the use of AI. By analyzing user data, AI algorithms can deliver tailored recommendations, improve customer support, personalize user interfaces, and streamline user onboarding. However, it is important to balance personalization with privacy and security to ensure the trust and satisfaction of users. As AI continues to advance, the possibilities for personalization in software solutions are endless, promising to revolutionize the way we interact with technology.